Next, ordering of integers. Okay, first we want to know the how to order the integers. Means we need to know the which one is greater, which one is lesser. That we need to know first. This is a big number, this is a small number. If, see for example, the two numbers are given for you. For example, -5 he has given you, and he has given you the 3 he has given you, and he will ask you that which number is greater in these both. He will ask you which number is greater. Means if you ask, see, just I will be drawing a number line. Represent, see the number line now. This is a 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Okay, -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, see the number line now. See here. I am saying, just listen. As you are going from left to right, as you are going from left to right, numbers, copy this one. Numbers increases. What are the value of number? Value will be increases. Means as you are going from left to right, the values will be get increases. Clear? Now see here, what are the question I gave you? Just we'll do it later, the -5 and 3, and afterwards you can do it. We'll go further. Already gave you the statement that left to right, as we are going left నుంచి right కి ఎలా వెళ్తున్నామో numbers అనేవి పెరుగుతున్నాయి. Means it is getting increases. Means here now you can get clear idea that, for example, here if I take 1 and 2, if 1 and 2 I can take, means 1 is smaller, 2 is greater. Means I can say that 1 less than 2. 1 is smaller, 2 is greater. In the same way, if I take -2 and 1, -1, as I am going from left to right, okay, left to right, what is happening? Left to right, the numbers value is getting increased. Means from left to right, I am going -2 is first, then after -1. Means -2 is less than -1. Means here -1 is bigger number, -2 is the smaller number. If I take -100 and if I take -10, if I take -100 and if I take -10, -10 is the big number, bigger number. Here -100 is the smaller number. -100 is the smaller number. Means here just we need to know the difference. Means as the number is getting increased in the minus sign, negative sign. Okay, if you take 1 lakh, 10,000. If you take -1, 10,000 is smaller. 10,000 is smaller. -1 is bigger. Now in the same way, if you take -1 and 0, which is the bigger? 0 is the bigger number. 0 is bigger number. Write one statement now. 0 is always greater than negative numbers. Copy this now. 0 is always greater than negative numbers. Means 0 is always greater. It is not a smaller number. It is greater than all the negative numbers. When it is coming to the positive number, 0 is smaller. 0 is smaller than, you can write even this also. 0 is always smaller than, okay, smaller than positive numbers. Remember this. Okay, one more. Positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers. Okay, positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers. Means these things you should remember compulsory. These things compulsory should be remembered. And one more thing coming to that, negative, what are the highest numbers are there? Always they are smaller, lowest numbers are always greater with a negative sign. These things are very important, man. Remember this with the help of this. These are all the things which can be helped in order. He has given you some of the questions over there. Pause the video and you can copy this one. Next, see, do this is give you 0, -1. He is asking you what? From the above understanding, fill the boxes with a less than or greater than sign. He has given you, just I said you know, 0 and -1. I gave the statement. 0 is always greater than negative numbers. Means 0 is always greater than symbol. Means just remember this peaks. This says you greater. This says you greater. And this says you lesser. Okay, greater than less than symbols is saying you whenever the mouth is wider, that we are calling it as greater. When mouth is peak is there, no, that will be taken as a lesser. Is it clear, ma? Like that, do this completely, you can do it. Coming to the 6.2 first exercise 6.2. First one bit is your homework only, ma. Okay, write the following integers in ascending or in descending order. First one you can see, ma, he has given you 7 comma 5 comma -3. Okay, -7 comma 5 comma -3 has given you these 3 numbers. See, already said you bigger numbers in negative are smaller. He said you to write it in a as increasing and decreasing order. See, first I am writing a increasing order. -7 is the smallest number completely. Why? Because the number I already said you, greater number with a -7 is the smallest. Greater number in 3, 7, 5, 3, 7 is the greater number. That's why it is a first, it should come with a negative sign. It is there. Then negative numbers are smaller already. First negative numbers only -3, then 5. This is your increasing order. This is your increasing order. See here once again, increasing order. Okay. See here 7, 5, -3 has given -7, 5, -3 is given for you. -7 is a bigger number, but with a negative sign is there. That's why bigger number with a negative sign will be the smallest number. That's why it will come first. Next, one more number is the negative, but it is a smaller number only. That's why -3. Okay. Compared to -7, -3 is the bigger. Compared to -7, -3 is the bigger. Coming to the 5, 5 is the positive number. Positive numbers are bigger than negative numbers. Coming to the decreasing order. Coming to the decreasing order. Okay. See, which is a greater number? 5. Positive numbers are always greater, and only one number is a positive. That's why 5 is the greater number. Next, -7 and -3 are there. -7 and -3 are there. As you are going in a number line, first you will get a minus. As you are going from left to right, -7 will come first, -3 will. If you are coming from 0 like this, the numbers will be goes on decreasing. Means first -3 will come, then after -7. Here, whichever the smallest number with the negative sign, that will be the greater value. That's why that will come first, -3. Minus with the greater value will be the smallest number. After that, -7. Like this, you can even complete the second bit, which is as your homework, and write the true or false he has given you. That is also you can do it, ma. Okay, coming to the fourth bit, find all the integers between the given two integers and also represent it on a number line. See, I am saying you the first one, ma. Otherwise, if you first one or other second one, you can see, ma. He has given you -5 and 0. -5 and 0. What are the numbers in between 5 and 0 is saying? First, number line 0 will be there, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is your number line. He is saying you the numbers. What are the numbers? -5 and 0. 0 is over here, -5 is over here. Okay, and he said you to write what are the numbers between -5 and 0. What are the numbers are there? Okay, numbers between -5 and 0 are -5 and 0 are -4, -3, -2 and -1. And he is saying you to represent, okay, also represent on the number line. Okay, what are the numbers which are present in between -5 and -4? That numbers is saying you to represent it on a number line. What are the numbers you had? Already I wrote that numbers: -4, -3, -2, -1, -4, -3, -2, -1. Like this you can represent it on a number line. Thank you. And coming fifth problem also, you can temperature recorded in Shimla. He has given you the temperatures one: -4 and Kufri is -6 degrees Celsius on the same day. Which place is colder? You can write that answer and you can send it to me as a homework. Okay, thank you.